Hi guys, just came back from eating. What the heck? I haven't-
Anthony,
Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Uh, now you can see all my weapons and your name. If you want to friend me, you can do that. Even though I'm a friend already. Mm. Some more burritos. Whoa, whoa. Sorry. Again. We're going back in the game. If it lets me. Yep, it does. Without the recorder stopping, you know? Going to determine that. And I lost all my money again. Wow. You think I should do an intro? Like a song intro someday? I am. Like, my friend taught me a trick. Right? And then when you're low, use the G hand. So I'm going to attempt that. So I can. So I'm going to. I have to HP. Sometimes for dust, if you want to see his HP better, do this. That's like always what I do for fresh. I used to provoke my cricket. Can be this very zero. Took a shit. Took a shit. Shita. Tío Tito. Brick. Okay. Sorry for being weird today. Sorry. That's the thing that I hate about Dust. He teleports him. And he does that. He does a bunch of blasters around you, like in a circle, so you can't escape. Because of the thing where you can help. And you see how he's the tallest? It's because of those tentacles up there. He's the tallest out of all of them. For now. Well, the tallest, easiest out of all of them. The more dactyl, the more the body build you are, the more HP you got. You saw how we felt that? He lied. I used to purple my kick it. It can be this Bobby Euro. Papi chulo. Sorry for cursing. I don't normally curse that much. That break. Oh god. Savage. Okay, gonna take. That didn't even hit. Tell me if it hit me in the comments below. Cause if it did hit me, because I'm not looking right now. Oh god, crap. Gonna be long. It's gonna take really long to beat. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, Dust, I get it. You hate me. You hate me and all. And then I killed your friends. Well, Undyne isn't really your friend. She picks on you. She hates you just like Mettaton. Why you gotta do that? Da, 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 da. Ha ha. Then. Do, 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 do. Ba-dum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum. Mm, mm. Do, oh, she don't know. Using Scythe is a risk, but it does more damage than the G-Hand, so that's something good. You can't even see when any of them, it's like force grabbing you. Yeah, that happens. Shut down. Mhm. Mhm. Silly Mahmood. Silly Mahmood. Mhm. This might be a short episode, but yeah, gotta go there. Why? Yes. GG. Gotta meet up. Yeah, gotta go. Bye, guys. Yeah, I was really short today. Bye.